Hey, hey, cause in this moment I just feel so alive. Hey, hey, alive. Alive.
Real wise, we ain't taking no advice. Nah, real live, these hoes ain't right. All of them. Nigga ask if they know what's the fight. Right. Ain't gotta know, they already know it's right.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, the Vibey One, and I'm back again with another video. Today, I wanted to do something cute or something just a little bit different. The hot commodity, the pretty. You guys can see by the title, I'm gonna go ahead and be unboxing the pink iPad with also the accessories that I ended up purchasing. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I already know you guys, if you're here, then you've already seen that this iPad is the cutest. Let's go ahead. I'm not even gonna talk y'all ear off. I've had it for about a week and a half, and I've just been waiting for the accessories to come. So yes, this is a us thing together. Like, we're about to enjoy this. Yes, me and my husband actually ended up getting new phones. We got the what is this, the 14? Yeah, the 14 plus, something like that. I just went ahead, they had the iPad also in store, so I was like, I low-key want a pink iPad, and she brought it out. And yes, so here we are. So yes, I have not opened this thing up at all. Of course, let's go ahead and peel these joints clean off. So let's open this joint. Yeah, it's giving yes. It's giving yes, ma'am. Now, I done see like 100,000 tutorials on this, and yes, ma'am, I am this feeling like a birthday, you know. Pretty pink. And peel that. Yes, iPad. Yes, it's doing that. It's doing all of that. Okay, the bomb fast charger. Okay, and then it looked like it's a little thick. I'm not gonna take it out right now, but y'all know what's up. Instructions. Listen, we've been iPhone users for thousands of years at this point. We know what's up. Charger, and then of course the charging box, which is like a rare thing now. For accessories, of course, you can purchase accessories from the actual Apple place, or there's a but. You can, you know, purchase from good old Amazon, of course. So that's exactly what I did, because granted, yes, I could buy the stuff that goes with the iPad, but I just choose not to because it's a lot cheaper to get stuff off Amazon and faster. Okay, this is the case that I purchased. Clear on the back, because I like how everybody had, like, you know, you could still see the color on the back. Like, what's the point of a pink iPad if you can't see it? So yeah, let's go ahead and peel it. But it said please tear off the inner and outer protector. Okay, so snatch that off, slide that in. Yay, so pretty. Okay, that's for me. Look at that. That is so freaking cute, y'all. Yeah, I'm like, so boom, now you're gonna open your joint and boom. A pencil. I didn't get an Apple Pencil or no stuff like that, but it's a stylus. I'm not gonna use this mug like that. It's just, I like the idea of it. I like how y'all had it, so I wanted to get it too. So, and then I'm not really a white colored person. Like, I don't really like the color white with my stuff because white be irritating. It has a little charger port right there. Let's see. It comes with extra tips, and then let me see. It come with like a charger. Okay, of course, yeah, and then the USB, of course, to charge it. And I love the black on black. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this here. Yeah, I love it. One second, y'all. Look who it is. Last time y'all seen him, he was brand new. I think he was only a couple days, but look now. Somebody is 4 months. It's spoiled rotten, okay? Say hi. Y'all might hear him in the background. He a little congested, so excuse him. This mug is so freaking cute. I cannot. Like I said, I just wanted to come to y'all. I'm not finna do the whole setup joint. Listen, I probably didn't even really need this mug, but mama got it, okay? Y'all already know what's good. Definitely make this purchase. It's so cute for us girly girls. It's a yes. It's a yes. It's a yes. Like, you're looking at this, it's a yes. Just like me. I've been looking at so many videos. Get it, girl. Just go ahead and get it. Might as well go ahead and get it. Go get it. Look at that pencil. Where my love? Look. Boom. It's working. It's working so nice. That wraps everything up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I was able to let you make your mind and tell you, yes, girl, you need to spend that money on this. I mean, why not? It's cute. Let's get it. Go ahead and get it, okay? Peace, love, and all the good vibes, okay? Until next time.